हेलो ब्रो। मेरा नाम मनीष तिवारी है और मैं एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर हूँ। आज के इस लाइव स्ट्रीम वीडियो में हम कुछ लेट कोड पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो हम सॉल्व करेंगे वो होगा वैलिड पैलिंड्रोम नंबर। तो क्वेश्चन है गिवन एन इंटीजर एक्स, एक नंबर दिया हुआ है इंटीजर्स, और रिटर्न ट्रू इफ एक्स इज पैलिंड्रोम। हमें ट्रू रिटर्न करना है इफ एक्स इज पैलिंड्रोम, अदरवाइज फॉल्स। सो पैलिंड्रोम होता क्या है? यहाँ पर यदि इस पैलिंड्रोम के ऊपर आप कवर करेंगे तो मिलेगा कि एन इंटीजर इज ए पैलिंड्रोम व्हेन इट रीड्स द सेम एज फॉरवर्ड एज बैकवर्ड। मतलब वो नंबर जिसे हम या तो लेफ्ट टू राइट पढ़ें या राइट टू लेफ्ट, इट विल कंसिडर सेम। ओके, let me tell you what is an palindrome. Okay, so let me open my whiteboard. I hope guys my whiteboard is visible to you. If it is not, let me know. Okay, I'm sharing my entire screen. Whiteboard. Okay, I think this my whiteboard is visual to you. Okay, so palindrome होता है जैसे कि यदि हमारे पास नंबर कोई है। Okay, sorry for my handwriting. Okay, let me type it this text. Okay, okay. So एक नम लेते हैं जैसे कि 7 2 7। तो दिस विल कंसिडर एज ए पैलिंड्रोम बिकॉज यदि हम इसे लेफ्ट टू राइट पढ़ते हैं तो भी ये 727 है। और यदि हम इसे राइट टू लेफ्ट पढ़ते हैं, लाइक इन दिस डायरेक्शन, लेट मी ड्रॉ यू। यदि हम इस डायरेक्शन में से पढ़ते हैं फिर भी वो हमें क्या मिलेगा? वैल्यू सेम ही रहेगा। ठीक है, ये भी हमें उसी तरह मिलेगा 7 2 7। सो दिस इज ए पैलिंड्रोम नंबर। तो उसी तरह हमें फाइंड करना है कि जो नंबर हमें दिया हुआ है वो पैलिंड्रोम है या नहीं। ओके, और इस केस में हमें ये भी ध्यान रखना है जैसे कि यदि हम लेफ्ट राइट कर रहे हैं जैसे हमें कोई पॉजिटिव वैल्यू मिला है, ठीक है, और जब यदि हमें निगेटिव नंबर मिलेगा तो उस केस में हमें ये भी देखना है कि निगेटिव में माइनस भी है। ठीक है, तो हमें इसको भी ध्यान रखना है। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या कर सकते हैं, सबसे पहले कंसोल करते हैं और देखते हैं कि जो यक्स हमें मिला वो उसका टाइप क्या है, डिजिट इन नंबर और string. Okay, let's run this code and let's see. I hope my screen is not visible to you guys. So let me reshare my entire screen. Mhm. And now I think my screen is visible. Yeah. So here I got this type of string as number. So for solving this problem, I need to convert into a string. So what can I do here? I can do x dot to string. So this will convert the x into a string. Okay. Now what I will do here, I will do x dot to string again, x dot to string. Okay, here I will follow this simple return. I will write return here and x equal to this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now what I will do, x dot to string. Okay, this will convert into a string. Now what I will do, I will split it. Okay, and now I will do reverse, and now I will do join. So join by empty string. Now that's all right. If I run this program, you can see I got the accepted. So let me submit that also. Yeah, I got the accepted value. So let me show you how this code is working. like this one line program, how can this solve this problem? Okay, so let me copy this string, and again let me open my what should I tell, whiteboard. Okay, so now I hope my whiteboard is visual to you. Okay, let me clear this thing, all the thing. Now here, this is my like code. Yeah. Wait. Okay, I do this. This is the code. So let me show how this single line of code is work. Okay. So सबसे पहले what is inside this x? Okay, x is equal to 1 to 1. So what I am doing is first मैंने क्या किया था, इसका टाइप चेक किया था जो नंबर है, तो दिस इज कमिंग एज अ इंटीजर लाइक नंबर. सो मैंने इसे कन्वर्ट किया है स्ट्रिंग में. सो दिस विल टू स्ट्रिंग विल कन्वर्ट इट टू अ स्ट्रिंग. So now what I'm doing, this is converting this. Okay, you can see here. I can draw a brackets or not. Yeah, I can draw a bracket. So now this code is doing converting my number to a string. Now what I'm doing, I am doing this thought split. So what it will do, it will split this string, like convert into a array with this empty string. So now inside my string, you can say here, inside my string, it is like inside this x, it is 1 to 1. After converting this as a string, now dot to string, what it will do, it will convert into a array. So now after doing this, after doing this x dot split, so what it will return, it will convert into a array like this 1 2 1. Okay, so now what I am doing, I am doing this dot reverse here. You can see here I am doing this dot reverse. What it will do, it will reverse this like array. So now my array will be, after reversing this, it will be 1 2 and 1. Now what I am doing, I am joining this, like again converting back into a string. So now what it will be do, it will return as a string 1 to 1. Okay, now my previous number is 1 to 1. Here you can see my previous number is 1 to 1, and my after performing all the operation, my result value is 1 to 1. And this is, I am checking this strict equal to, so this will compare the types as well as the value. So type is also a string and value is also a string. So this is give me the result. Okay, I hope you got it. If you want, I can show you inside in the code also. So let me show you the in the edge code as well. So let me go back to the description. So here what I will do, first I will show you the type of this x. So this is the code part. Know what is the type of any variable. We just need to write type of, and after space I need to give the variable. So this will like telling me this is the number, this number. Okay, so now what I am doing this, I am doing this like x is equal to x dot to string. Okay, now I am consoling this console dot log type of x. Now run this code. Now here you can see, now it is giving this output as string. मतलब ये मुझे स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट करके एक नंबर दे दिया. तो मैंने एक नंबर को स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट किया. सो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, ओके, अब मैं करता हूँ x इज इक्वल टू x डॉट स्प्लिट बाय एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग, मतलब मैं इसे स्प्लिट कर रहा हूँ एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग से। ओके, नाउ आई एम कंसोलिंग दिस console dot log x. Now I am running this program. So now you can see what I am getting as a array. Okay. Now what I am doing this, I am doing this x equal to x dot reverse. Okay. Now let console dot y I am doing this console dot x. Okay. Let run the program, and here you will get the same output because my this is an what you say palindrome. So let me see with different test case. For different दूसरा test case में palindrome में, yeah, you can see here. Inside is what I made first minus and then 1 to 1, and it will reverse this as minus is come as last and 1 then 2 down. And in the third test case, like the number is 10, the splitting, it will come here 1 comma 0, and after reversing it will come here 0 comma. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am comparing this value to the previous value, like this value of further after doing this reverse, I am joining this as well. So x is equal to x dot join with a empty string. Now console this console dot log x. Now you can see here what I am getting this 1 to 1. In second test case, I am getting this 1 to 1 minus, and in third test case, I should get 0. Yes. So now what I do, I just compare this thing. Okay. I hope you got the how it is working. So this is I just perform in a single line. Okay. So this is got it. Like here, if I do this, like this is the x, I have performed all the operation here. So what should I need to do here? I need to store this in another variable as well. Okay, so let for comparison, we'll compare y equal to x dot to string. Okay, and now here what I will do, I will just compare it. Return. Okay, and it will return y is equal to x. Just run this program, and it should give me the expected value. Let's see if I'm getting that. So now here I forgot to mention this term. What I am doing here, I am just comparing and returning here. So this is a comparison. So what it will do, it will just return me as a Boolean value as for this condition. Like if y is strict equal to this x, then only it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So that is the reason. I hope you got it. Okay. So now come to the second problem. Let me back this also. Yeah, okay. This is the problem. This is the interesting problem. Roman to integer. Okay. Let's solve it also. So first, let's read the question. Here, what is it mentioned like Roman numbers are represented by the 7 different symbols. Like you guys know it. I, V, X, L, D, C, and L. Okay. So now we need to convert into integer, like from Roman to integer. That's it. Okay. So let's solve this problem. So first solve this, before solving this problem, what I need to do, I will come here. Okay. Let me first clear all this. Okay. You guys, I think I've solved this problem as in when you are in school, I think you have solved, but not in the code. I think most of you have also solved who has written, like who is from CS background. Okay. So now come to this. So in, you guys notice, like in Roman, I is treated as 1. Okay. V is treated as 5. Okay. X is treated as 10. Okay. L is treated as 50, not 50, 50. And C is equal to 100. Okay. M is not, after C, the D is come. So D is equal to 500 and M. M is equal to 1000. Okay. And रोमन से इंटीजर कन्वर्ट करने के कुछ रूल्स भी होते हैं जो हमें ध्यान में रखना होगा। ओके। सबसे पहला रूल्स होता है कि रोमन में सिर्फ आई, एक्स, सी और एम को ही हम रिपीट कर सकते हैं, इसके अलावा बाकी को हम रिपीट नहीं कर सकते हैं। लाइक हियर आई कैन ओनली रिपीट दिस I, and it will only repeat maximum 3 times. Okay, like I can write I can write double I, and I can write triple I as well. Similarly, I can write X, I can write double X, and I can write triple X in Roman. Similarly, in C, I can write C, double C, triple C as well, and last DM, M, double M, and triple M. Okay, and we cannot repeat this V, and I cannot repeat this L and D as well. Okay, हम लोग ऐसे रिपीट नहीं कर सकते। और कुछ रूल्स होते हैं, जैसे हम इसे ऐड कर सकते हैं कि नंबर्स, उसका वैल्यू तो पता है हमें कि जैसे रोमन में आई का वैल्यू नंबर्स में क्या होता है, ये तो हम जान गए। अब इसको हम कन्वर्ट करने का कुछ नियम को भी जान देख लेते हैं। लाइक इफ आई गेट दिस ना I, so it will this one. If I get this double I, so what it will mean? It will like 1 plus 1. So it will consider as 2. If I get triple equal to, then we got it. 1 plus 1 plus not this 1 plus 1 plus 1, and it means 3. So that is the case. And one more thing, रोमन में यदि हम सबसे पहले कोई यदि बड़ा नंबर है, लाइक वी है, तो वी के बाद हम उससे छोटा वैल्यू को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। ठीक है, यदि उससे वी के बाद कोई बड़ा वैल्यू को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते। ठीक। और एक केस हम और ध्यान, जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि आई, एक्स, सी और एम, इसको हम रिपीट कर सकते हैं। तो इसमें एक और एक केस हमारा होता है कि आई, एक्स, सी और एम। ओके, इसको हम इससे बड़े किसी वैल्यू के एक बाएं तरफ भी लिख सकते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड भी लिख सकते हैं। लाइक वी कैन सो राइट लाइक आई बी, बट हमें यह ध्यान रखना होगा आई के बाद उससे बड़ा वाला सिर्फ उसके बाद का वैल्यू आ सकता है, या ये। ओके, वी कैन ऐड एनी, कोई भी रोमन नंबर को लिख सकते हैं। ओके, सो बट I can write this, but I cannot write this. This is not the case. Okay, we have to remember this. Okay, and if I got this type of no, so what it will mean? It means as 5 minus 1. This is the Roman. So we need to remember all the case. Then now code comes about at the code. So what I will do, I will first create an object. Let me call it Roman object. Okay, where I will store all the values, like 1 is equal to 1. Okay, and now v equal to 5. What is this? x is equal to 10 and L is equal to 50 and C is equal to 100 and not C again. D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 100. Like here you can see I have added this column, so we can create an object like that. So now let's come to our program. Okay, now what I will do, I will run a for loop here. Now for I equal to 0 and not comma, here will be semicolon, and I is less than s dot len. Okay, s dot len by minus 1 and I plus plus. Now here first let me take this integer and the initial value of this integer is 0. Now this is, now what I will do, just I will check if, okay, Roman of s of I, okay, is greater than or equal to Roman of s of I plus 1. मतलब जो हमारा फर्स्ट वैल्यू है, जो भी हमारा रोमन मिल रहा है, इसका फर्स्ट वैल्यू if it is greater than or equal to the next value of it, मतलब इसका वैल्यू क्या यदि ग्रेटर देन है या बराबर है, ठीक है, देन ओनली आई कैन ऐड दिस, ठीक है। तो हम क्या करेंगे उसमें, जो हमारा इंटीजर है int इंटीजर, so I will add this integer plus or equal to, this plus equal to means integer equal to integer plus, okay, and what I will add here, just Roman of s of I, okay, else यदि हमारा जो वैल्यू है वो छोटा मिल रहा है, मतलब जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू है वो अपने नेक्स्ट वैल्यू से छोटा मिल रहा है, तो उस केस में हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे, इंटीजर ऑफ this minus plus integer minus equal to the Roman of s of I, and here I will, what I will do, I will continue this, okay. Now let's console this, what I am getting inside this. Before returning this, I want to console it, what I am getting inside this integer. Okay, let me run this. I am getting this on the front, but output is 2 because I have only run through this s dot length minus 1 till, like if my length is 3, I only run till here, okay. So let me add the last value also. So here what I will do here, I will call it let my, or I can do here inside the console also, console, we need to return, my bad. So let me store as return integer, not integer plus Roman of s of s dot len minus 1. Here what I am doing, inside this integer which I am getting here after performing all the operation, I'm just adding this last integer value, okay. Now let's run this. Yeah, I got the accepted. Okay, let me submit also. Yeah, I'm getting this accepted value. Now let me see you how this works. Okay, so for that I will copy all my code from here and I will come to this node here, here, okay. I will clear all my drawing, okay. Now let's add this, okay. No, okay, great. Yeah, this is the function which I have, okay. So now this is the Roman number which I have created, this is the object, okay. Now यहाँ पर मैं एक फॉर लूप रन कर रहा हूँ जो कि स्टार्ट होगा I0 से, और S जो मेरा वैल्यू है या रोमन नंबर है उसके लेंथ से एक कम तक हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो लेट में ड्राई रन दिस आपको। ठीक है, सबसे पहले व्हाट इज इनसाइड माय यस, लेट मी टेक इट, I will take it, what I will take, like X C L P I and I. This is my Roman number. And what should be the output of it? Output will be, okay, like X is coming before C. So C is greater than X. Yes, so we need to minus the X from C. So it will do as 100, okay, minus 10. Okay, 100 minus 10 I have done. Now I need to skip this C value. Now I need to add this L from there. So what will I do? Plus L 50. Okay, now here is V which is less than L. So I will also add it. So 50 plus L, now L 5, 55. And here I saw this I. I is less than V. So I will add this 1 and then again I. I is less than, sorry, less than or equal to, it is equal to 1. So I can also add it plus 1. So now what will be the exact result? 100 minus 10, 90 plus 50, 140 plus 5, 145 plus 1, 146 and 147. So this is my output. Okay. Now let's see how this, how can I achieve from this code. Okay. So now here what I am doing is I am like taking a loop. So first my I value will be 0. मेरा I का वैल्यू इसमें 0 का। अब हम यहाँ पर क्या करें, इफ रोमन ऑफ S of I, okay, so S of I means first let me know like till when this loop will run. It will start from I. So and you guys know this, inside this string or array we can index like this first value. Okay, now here this is cannot here somewhere there. This is the 0th index. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4 and 5. Okay. So this is the case. Okay. So what it will do here? It will start from 0 and it will go to till s dot length minus 1. Okay. S dot length minus 1 means s dot length of this string, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this length of this string is 6. So it will go till I is less than 6 minus 1 means it will go till 5, less than 5. When it comes to 5, my loop is over and it will do this for increment. Okay, so now comes to this if block. So now what it will do, if it is doing, it is taking this Roman of S of I. S of I means if I take like you guys know S of I means the 0th value of X. Okay, and now what it is I. So okay, now inside is Roman. I am getting this Roman of I. Okay, and if I compare inside this object, Roman of I is equal to 1, so it will give me 1. So now if 1 is greater than or equal to, what is it? s plus 1, s plus 1, what is this? C, s plus 1, like Roman of s of I plus, not this, what it will do? Roman of s of I plus 1, like s of I 0 plus 1. Yeah, what it will give? It will give me Roman of s of 1. Okay, now what it will be? Roman of yes of 1 means P. Yes of 1, here you can see yes of 1 is P. So here it is coming this P. Okay, and this is string, so it will give me a string, so that's why I'm getting this. So now this, it is equal to Roman of C. This will equal to what? It will equal to 100. Now what I'm comparing here, so I'm comparing this, so what I'm, it will become Roman of s of I, it will be like 10. Yes. Here what I have done now, I have done by mistake. Here it will not it will not guess. Okay. Here I have made my mistake. Okay. Here what will be the value of this? The value of Roman of s of I, it will be like x, so it will be 10, not 1. So now I get this 110. Now I'm comparing. Okay, what I'm comparing? If 10 is greater than or equal to 100, this will give me this false value. Like this is not the case. I will get the false here. So it will not come this inside this if box. It will come here inside this else block. So my initial integer is 0. So what I am doing is I am subtracting this s of I value from 0. So what my integer will become? My integer will become like integer minus Roman of s of I, and it is 0. So it will give me minus 10. Okay. Now I think I don't need this continue here. Now it will come here. Okay. Now it will again compare. So now you guys know here. My s of now my I will increment here. So now my Roman of s of I, what it will give me? It will give me Roman of s of I means s of 1, and it will give me Roman of s of 1. What is it? C. So now it will give me 100. Okay. Now my Roman of s of I plus 1. Okay. It is equal to Roman of s of I plus 1. So I means 0, 1. 1 plus 1, it will be s of 2. Okay. Now it will give me Roman of s of 2 means Roman of L. Now it will give me this Roman of L. It will give me this 15, not 500. Okay. Now I am comparing this. If this 100 is greater than or equal to 50, this is the case. Yes, this is the case. It will give me this true value. Now I will come in inside this if condition. So it will do is init equal to init, like my integer plus this Roman value. Okay, like this Roman of s of I, and I have already calculated this. What is the value? So I will add this 100. I think this is, so what I will do? My init in teacher will become minus 10. Previously I have calculated here. As you can see here, my integer is minus 10. So minus 10 plus 100. What it will give me? 90. So I got the 90 value. So now you guys know. Yeah, I only need to remove this thing. Okay. Now you guys know my I is equal to, it will increment now to, okay, integer is equal to uh, yeah, it will equal to 90. Now again I will run this loop. I will come on this loop. Now here I will calculate this Roman of yes of I, like yes I is equal to 2. So it will give me this. Oh guys, I have removed and I cannot put that more. I think my Roman value will like my s is equal to x a l b I. This was my Roman value. I think so. Yeah. So now I am calculating this one. So what it will do? It will give me Roman of s of 2. What is it will go? It will give me s of 2. It will give me this l. So now what it will become as Roman of L, it will give me as Roman of L. Here you can see it will give me 15. Okay, now I will calculate this Roman of S of I plus 1. Okay, now my I value is 2, so this will become Roman of S 2 plus 1. And what it will give me? The Roman of S of 2 plus 1, it will give me 3. Now my Roman of S3, it will give me, like here it will 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Roman of V. And what it will give me? You can see here Roman of V, it will give me this 5 value. So I got this 5. Now I am comparing this. Okay. If my Roman of S of I, if it is greater than or equal to Roman of S of I plus 1. Okay. So now my Roman of S of I is giving me this 50. If it is greater than or equal to 5. No, this is not the case. So it will give me this false result. No. This is true. Okay. So it will give me this true result. So what I will do here, I will come inside this if block and my integer is as 90. So what I will do, integer plus Roman of S of I. Okay. So what I will do, integer will become to, like previously my integer is 90. 90 plus Roman of S of I, what is this? Equal to 50. So I will add 50 to it, and my integer is now become 140. Okay, now I think you have got the point. Now let's again come to this. And now my I will increment. Okay, I have performed all the logic. Now it will again come to here, and my I now my I will be 3, and integer will become 140. Okay. Okay. So now, yeah, I will again calculate this Roman of S of I. What it will give me? Roman of S of I. I value is 3. And you guys, you can see here, I have already calculated this Roman of S of 3. So what it will give me? Yeah, it will give me as 5. Okay. Now I will calculate for this Roman of S of I plus 1. Okay. Now Roman of S of I is equal to 3. So 3 plus 1. Now it will give me Roman of S of 4. Okay, now it will give me Roman of S of 4. So here I can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As a 4, it will give me I. Now here Roman of I, it will give me 1. So I have calculated both. Now I will come to this if block. So if Roman of S of I is greater than or equal to Roman of S of I, not I, if I plus 1. Yes, this is true. So now I will come to inside this if block. So I will do init equal to init plus Roman of S of I. Okay. Now my integer will become what it will become. Integer will become previously my integer is 140. So 140 plus Roman of S of I. What it will give me? Yeah, here already I have calculated. So here S of I will give me this 5. So I will add this 5 here. So it will give me like 145. Okay. So now and my again it will come to this I increment point. So now again my I will become 4 and integer will become 145. Now first I forgot one thing. I will compare I also this like I is less than this certain number. So my S dot length. So what is my S dot length? You can write here because it will constant. S dot length it is equal to 6. Okay, like 6 character. You can say the 6 character are there. So now first my I is less equal to 4. So I will compare if I is less than S dot length minus 1, like 6 minus 1. So it will be 6 minus 1 is correct. Like 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is correct. I can come inside this for loop. So now I will again calculate this Roman of S of I. Okay. So what it will do, give me like I have already calculated this for this 4. You can see here for 4 I will get 1. So now I will calculate this Roman of S of I plus 1 means Roman of S of I is equal to 4. So 4 plus 1, it will give me 5. Then I will get this Roman of 5. Roman of 5. Here I can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I. Now it will give me this one. Okay. So now I will compare. If my Roman of S of I is greater than or equal to Roman of S of I plus 1. This is the case. Yes. Like my Roman of S of I is 1 and 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, it is true. So I can come inside this if block. And what I will do, I will increment my integer, increment integer equal to increment plus Roman of S of I. Yes. So not what my increment will be like previously. My increment is 145. Okay. Now I will add this 1 because Roman of S of I. You can see here it is 1. So now what will I will get here 146. Okay. Now my I will be increment. So now what will be my I value? So here you can see I will be incremented by 1. So previously it will 4. Now it will 5. And my integer will become 146. So now I will compare. Again, it will come here and it will compare. If I is less than, okay, is less than 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. That means I what is my 5 is less than or less than. If 5 is less than 5, no, it's false, you know. 5 is greater than, sorry, 5 is equal to 5. No, so this is not fixed. So my for loop will be terminated. I will come out this loop. Okay. And now here, what I am doing is, here you can say I am returning this, the previous integer. I am adding this Roman of s of s dot length, s dot length minus 1. Okay, you can see that. So now let's check this. You can see here my integer is 146. Yes. Now let me calculate what I am getting this inside this. So Roman of s dot length. Here you can see s dot length is 6. So 6 minus 1. Okay. So now what will I get? 146 plus Roman of s of 6 minus 1. So s of 5. Okay. And you can see here, I have already calculated s of 5. What it will give me? 1. So now what I will give? 146 plus 1. What it will give me? 147. And I think this is the desired answer. I got this answer and I am returning this answer. So I hope guys you have understand how I solve this problem. So if any query, please let me know in that is comment box. What is the time? 11:55. So okay, today I think this is enough. But tomorrow I will solve another LeetCode problem. So if you have any problem, you can like message in the chat box also. I will try to solve it also. So till then, go tight. And before going to sleep or on bed, if you like this video, please do like, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe also. It will motivate me. Okay. Bye.